How to turn off grid on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. As you can see, there is a grid on the screen. Now, go back and open up the Settings app. Scroll down and go to Camera. This is the camera settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, go to the composition section and turn off the grid feature. Go back and open up the camera app again. As you can see, the grid is no longer available on the camera screen. Following these steps, you can easily turn off grid on iPhone camera. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.